In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install the trial version of Adobe After Effects on your computer without the credit card. First of all, open up your browser. Here I have Google Chrome on my computer. All you have to do is type download Adobe Creative Cloud on Google and press enter. Find this link. Right-click on it and open it in a new tab. Click on Download Creative Cloud button. Your download will start automatically. Since I already installed the program, I stop downloading and run the Adobe Creative Cloud program. Before installing the Adobe Creative Cloud, you need an Adobe account. If you do not have it, please create one. The only required information is the email address, birthday, and country. After you download the file, open it and install the Creative Cloud app. The installation process will take about 5 minutes. Once the Creative Cloud finishes downloading, log into your account and scroll the window until you find the After Effects. Click on Try button and After Effects start downloading, and it will be installed on your system automatically. Once the installation completed, you can start using After Effects for 7 days free of charge. If you insist to buy the program, you can click on Buy button. You will redirect to Adobe Creative Cloud Plans and Price page. Scroll down to find After Effects. As you can see here, you can rent the program for $20.99 per month. Click on Buy Now button to see the other options. You can rent monthly or annually. It depends your budget. Select one of them and click on Continue. Here you can add Adobe stock to your cart for $20.99 per month. I don't intend to buy this product, so I click on No Thanks button. Enter your credit card information, first name, last name, and country, and place your order. Since I already bought the program and installed on my computer, I search for After Effects and run the program. Wait for a few seconds. If you have installed the After Effects for the first time, you will see this window and show you a few tips. Click on the Next button. Click on Done button. You can now create a new project and start using the software. To uninstall, if the After Effects program is open, close it, and then enter My Computer or this PC, and click on Uninstall or change the program. Find After Effects in the search box and click on it. Click on Uninstall button and remove it from your computer.